They give us a function, and they want us to find certain values. So let's substitute in, right? F of negative 3. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to put a negative 3. 1 over negative 3 plus 2. So f of negative 3 equals 1 over negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So we write that as f of negative 3 equals negative 1. Okay, for b, they want f of negative 1.5. So I get 1 over negative 1.5 plus 2, right? So f of negative 1.5 equals negative 1.5 plus 2, right? Negative 1.5 plus 2 is 0.5. But that's not a valid fraction, right? A fraction is an integer over an integer. So f of negative 1.5, how many times does 0.5 go into 1? 2 times, right? So it equals 2. Okay, for c, f of negative 2, I should have enough room here, equals 1 over negative 2 plus 2. F of negative 2 equals 1 over 0. Now, whenever we divide by 0 in mathematics, we did not define that. We'd never defined in mathematics what it means to divide by 0. So f of negative 2 is undefined. It's not no answer, it's not no solution, it's not can't do it, it's undefined. We just never defined that in mathematics. Okay, and the last one, D, let me make space. X, if f of x equals 5. So they're saying that f of x is 5, right? So if the original function is this, and they're saying f of x is 5, so they're saying that's 5. Now they want us to solve for what goes in, right? So I'll multiply both sides by x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, and I get 5x plus 10, right? I'm distributing that in, right? Plus 10 equals, these cancel, 1. So 5x equals, I'll subtract 10, negative 9. X equals negative 9 fifths. So if x equals negative 9 fifths, then f of negative 9 fifths would be 5, right? Okay.